Hello YouTube. I've been having trouble with my 3G and how it wouldn't turn back on, and I had just recently, yesterday, stock flashed my Cricket back to 2.1 ROM, and as you can tell, if I can get it to come on, it's back to lock screen. Okay, I've spent 3 or 4 hours modding it, trying to mod it, everything I could do to it to get it unlocked from the Android screen. Finally did that, and then my 3G wasn't working. Reset it. Now I've been trying to somehow get it back to where my 3G would come on, and I've looked it up and everything, and I couldn't figure it out. So I went messing around in my settings, and this is what I got. And I hope it works on all y'all's phones too. My Wi-Fi wireless networks go all the way down to my mobile networks. And I go to where it says network names, the access point names, and you see, and it says Cricket, and I selected that where the green dot is selected, and then I went outside my house and my 3G popped up, started working. It's going to take a while for me to turn it back on and reset it again where I have to get it back to the normal way for my 3G to run more smoothly, but that's how I did it. And I'll be putting up more Cricket videos for other problems I find that I can figure out. And, well, I'll talk to you later, YouTube. And a special thanks to one of my friends on YouTube. I can't think of his YouTube account right off the top of my head, but he helped me stock flash it back to ROM 2.1 where I could unlock my Android. Thanks, man. Later.